This is cap Tokyo tester. First, you need to install the 4 fixtures. We match a wrench. Connect the power. Power is according to your local power. It can be 220 voltage or 240 voltage or 110 voltage. Install the sample. Fix the fixture distance. The pink button can set real test time or pink time, and auto pink time. We advise pink time. We can test for three status. Save is save correct test result. Unit, you can switch kgf or lbf or Newton meter. 0 is clear 0. Now we start test. We use the pink status. But adjust the cap. Now it's automatic. Save the value. If you say you set the mini pink value over 0.5, it will not save automatic. Now you can press save or press 0. Press 0 before test. Test again. It is the pink value. We can save it again and check other real time. Real time is show the Tokyo value for real time, not save. Real time. It shows the real time Tokyo meter, Tokyo value. And press the auto pink. Auto pink, it will save automatic for 0 seconds. Clear 0 before test, and then you can start test for the jet. It will automatic remain the pink value and clear 0 Then finish the test. Move the sample. And move the fixtures. Keep it clean and tidy. 等一下 Here is a USB port used for connect the software. You can connect your computer and connect your computer. Put the diskette to your computer and install the software. Finish the test, press off.